In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the name box to create a range name. Let's look at this Excel worksheet. Suppose I wanted to name the range from A1 to B4. Let's select this area, type in data in the name box, and push return. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how to use this name for the data range. Suppose I want to know the average of this data. I need to do is type in formula average, and I do not need to select the data range A1 to B4. Instead, I can use the name I just created, data, and then push return. There you go. So the average is calculated for this data range named data. Thanks for watching.